Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Lamborghini Huracan in drive. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Locate the red engine start button, often under a flip-up cover, and press it to ignite the powerful V10 engine. You'll hear that unmistakable Lamborghini growl as the car comes to life, ready for the next step. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake. To select drive, simply pull the right-hand paddle shifter towards you. You'll see the gear indicator on your dashboard change to D, confirming that the car is now in drive. It's a smooth, quick action, preparing you for the road ahead. The Huracan's controls are intuitive. The left paddle shifter is for downshifting, and the right is for upshifting, even in automatic drive mode. When you're ready to park, simply press the P button located on the center console. This engages the parking brake and puts the transmission in park, securing your vehicle. To engage reverse, pull the R toggle. With drive engaged and the parking brake released, you're ready to go. Gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. The Huracan is incredibly responsive, so a light touch is all that's needed. Enjoy the exhilarating experience, always driving responsibly and being mindful of traffic and road conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.